Hi, Lincoln Elementary. Mrs. Miner here for What's on Mrs. Miner's Mind. And today, what's on my mind is baking. So I'm going to get some cookies out of my oven here. I'm making some chocolate chip cookies. I wish you could smell them. They smell delicious. So I've been thinking about baking. I've been baking and cooking a lot as I've been home. It's something I really enjoy to do. I like to do it for my family, but I really like to do it with my family. So every night in my family, we've been taking turns cooking dinner, and everybody is responsible for a night and trying a new recipe. I have a cookbook that I was using for some of the recipes that are tried and true. This is my husband's grandmother's cookbook, and it's fun to look through here and find some recipes, maybe things we hadn't done before. So what's on my mind today is trying new things, maybe working together as a family, doing some baking, some cooking, and really enjoying each other's company as you do so. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Have a sparky weekend.